Hello, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to test your computer's security systems um, by using a website. In order to start, you're going to open up a web browser. I like to use the Google Chrome on my Mac, even though I can use Safari, I like to use Google Chrome. This is for the Mac, by the way. I'm going to open up a new window. Here it is. I'm going to enlarge it for you. You're going to go to grc.com. Going to pop you up to this kind of website. Going to click here, Services and Shields Up. Once you land on this page, you're going to click Proceed. Take some time to load. Then you're going to come here and click Common Ports. So right now, it's this website is filing your computer to see how it will react to its pings. So it says that my computer passed, which means that I achieved a perfect true stealth rating, and not a single packet, solicited or otherwise, was received from your system as a result of our security probing tests. So basically, what it just did is it sent out pings and different ways to get your computer to respond. That way it can test to see if hackers can hack into it. And the way hackers can hack in is by your computer accepting or acknowledging these different pings. Um, and if your computer won't do that, then that means it's protected from these hackers trying to install viruses and malware. Um, so I passed, and it says not a single packet of information was received, which is was received. It was ignored, um, and it didn't reply to any of these pings. So hackers really can't see this machine on the internet. They won't even know it's there because they won't get anything back from the computer itself, so they don't know that there's a computer even out there. They'll just send out these pings, and if they get a response, then they know a computer's there. Then they'll go after that account. And I passed in all these services. This is very important because if your computer does fail, you're gonna there are ways to help protect it, using antivirus software, and making sure you don't open up emails that are suspicious. So if you ever get an email with a link and you don't know exactly what it is, don't click on it because it could have a virus attached to it. Because viruses through emails are through attachments, and if you click on the attachment to open it, then that's what installs the virus. So don't do that either. Um, and just try to do everything you can possibly do. Be as smart as you can to not allow a virus or hackers into your computer to protect your personal information. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please stay safe on your computers. Thank you.